The big news this quarter is the April release of Business Central. Way too many details to go down the list, but everybody who's either using it now or in the middle of deploying it, certainly all the consultants are really excited about all the new navigation enhancements to the help menus, feature enhancements. I say that the main message here is that Microsoft is listening to the end users. We had about 1,000 ideas submitted on the experience.dynamics.com on the idea board. Of those, already 12% of them have actually been deployed in this release. We got another, actually about 13%, another 12% are in the hopper to get put into the next release. They're already approved and being developed, and a bunch more under review, and more coming in all the time. So we're really excited to hear, as we are submitting these ideas to Microsoft, that they're pushing them into the new release. So those releases are coming out over the next week. Just get on your tenant, schedule your upgrade, and it'll happen. The next exciting thing is more internal to JourneyTEAM, but it's regarding our customers who are on GP. And we've got an exciting program for them. We basically have GP customers in kind of 3 different states. There are those who are on an older version of GP, but it's working great for them. They're really happy and excited about it. We have plans to help take care of you. A lot of our customers over the last few years have been hit with ransomware attacks because they're on very old versions of the software OS and the database engine, and they're just vulnerable. So we have plans to help you get your GP instance migrated up to the cloud, to the Azure cloud, where we can protect it better. We can also help you with our cloud services team get better security if you want to stay on premises. The second plan is for those who want to upgrade their GP. The main thing that keeps our customers from upgrading is it can be really expensive if you're on an older version and you want to get to a newer version. You essentially have to upgrade your OS and your database in several different hops, and you also have to upgrade your hardware to be compatible with those database and server OS versions as you go. And it's just more resources than any company has in-house. We've made it simple and painless. We've created virtual Azure machines where we can put your Dynamics GP instance into the instance that's compatible with what you're on, and then perform the upgrade as far as it will go on that instance, and then we simply move it to the next instance, do the upgrades that are possible in that version, and we keep hopping you through those versions until we get you all the way up to the most current version of GP, or whatever version you want to get to, without having to do any of those interim server, hardware, and OS and database upgrades. So we make that nice and painless for you. The final scenario is those people who want to take GP and actually get off of it and get onto Dynamics Business Central, which is Microsoft's kind of flagship product right now for the middle tier ERP market. And by upgrading you to the most current version of GP, we then have an intelligent cloud solution that we can use to take your data, much of your setup data and configuration data, and just push it straight into GP or Business Central in the cloud and have a much faster migration experience. So with that, I guess